Hey there Crimson Desert gamers, welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm going to talk to you about how you can get the Lifsoth Large Shield in Crimson Desert. So first things first, I'll show you where I am on the map. I am currently north of the Witchwoods just here. There is also an abyssal nexus that you might want to pick up for some fast travel. To just get our bearings here, you can see that Hernand is currently northeast of me. So if you are in Hernand, you want to come to the southwest down to this area here, the Witchwoods. You can follow the road most of the way there. And then when you get here, you're going to look for this abyssal nexus to unlock it. But then what you also want to do is look for this, which is the Witch's house. Now, when you come here, you will find the house here. And instead of going inside the main house, what you actually want to do is come over the cliffs here. And you're going to be looking for this little balcony area just here. And then you're going to want to just jump up onto it. Now, when you jump up onto it, you're going to open this door just here. And then all you need to do, just be mindful of that trapdoor. Just come around to the side here and you'll actually see this treasure chest just here. Go ahead and open it and boom. That gives us the Lifsoth Large Shield, which you can see we've just acquired. If I come over to my inventory here, you can see that it has 8 defense and sells for 550 with 2 potential upgrades as well. So I really hope that video helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.